Once considered a follower in the world of aviation, China has rapidly climbed the ranks to become a major player, challenging the dominance of global leaders. From stealth fighter jets to hypersonic missiles, and from commercial aviation to cutting-edge AI integration, China's skies are no longer just the limit, they're the stage for revolution. China's aviation journey began humbly. For decades it relied heavily on foreign designs and technology, trailing behind global giants. But where others saw limitations, China saw potential. A vision to transform itself into a global aviation leader. The country began laying the groundwork for a revolution in the sky. Key to China's progress has been its immense investment in research and development. Billions of dollars have been poured into aerospace engineering, recruiting top talent, and cultivating innovation. China's ambition isn't just to compete, but to redefine the rules of the game. China's military aviation advancements are a testament to its technological prowess. The Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter jet stands tall alongside the world's most advanced aircraft, rivaling the likes of America's F-22 and F-35. In addition, China's development of hypersonic technology has introduced new dimensions to aerial warfare, with missiles capable of speeds beyond Mach 5. From powerful radar systems like the JY-26F-22 killer to autonomous swarms of drones, China's military aviation combines stealth, speed, and precision in ways that redefine modern conflict. But China's aviation vision extends beyond the battlefield. Military advancements have fueled innovations in civilian aircraft like the Comac C-919, a challenger to Western giants Boeing and Airbus. With every takeoff, China's commitment to aviation independence grows stronger. China's ability to learn from the world has accelerated its growth. By studying foreign designs and forging partnerships, it has refined its capabilities while paving its own path. The result? A growing aviation industry that's reshaping global supply chains and pushing the boundaries of innovation. China's aviation revolution isn't slowing down. With a focus on AI integration, hypersonic exploration, and sustainable aircraft, the nation is turning science fiction into science fact. It's a vision rooted in ambition and fueled by determination. China's rise in aviation technology is a story of transformation, innovation, and resilience. It reminds the world that the sky is not a limit, it's an opportunity. And for China, this is just the beginning of the journey. Super to the skies and beyond, China's aviation revolution.